Hi guys, welcome back to Rush's Fun Activities. Today, we are going to play Roblox Farm Life Tycoon. It's supposed farm, so it says that it's farm life. So does that mean, by the way, I also played this. And if you open the chest, I already opened the chest, you will receive that much money when you harvest that plant. When you receive the chest, this plant will appear, then it will give you so much cash. Yeah, that's what to do. And oh, I have a lot of cash by the way too. I also built a barn. I also have 2 trucks. Yeah. I have a lot of cash. I'm gonna buy a silo. There are 2 silos. And I also have, I will give you a tour. So first, over here is my watermelon field or patch. Don't know. And over here is my sunflowers. Cool, right? And over here is my pumpkin patch. See? Growing lots of pumpkins. And over here, what? I have broccolis. Emma. And over there is my, chicken coop. Wait, I'll just stand like this. There. Now right. And here is my fruit stand. Anybody want to buy a fruit? Nobody? Okay, so I will just buy field. That's a lot to cost. Whoa, I'm just gonna collect those cash over there so I can buy some. There, now I have enough to buy the field. Grow wheat. Wow, that's a lot. But anyways, I'ma do it. Wait, this is a wheat field. There we go. There we go. There we go. I don't care about wasting money. They generate money anyways. I'ma get some new money. And guys, what's a silo? This is a silo. I just have no idea. What? Ooh, 2,000, huh? Somebody here is named Noob. What? And somebody here is named LOL. What the? 1,000. Build gates. Build. Yay! How much silos do I need to buy? How much silos do I need to buy? There's like lots of silos here now. And I have nothing, and I think, what else to do? Is there anything else to buy? Oh, there's something over there. Upgrade barn. 2,000. These are now 1,000, guys. I'm just gonna climb this. How do I climb this? I want to. Never mind. Oh, 3,000 cash here. 100. Whoa. Upgrade barn right now. Whoa, my barn is bigger. Whoa. And I need to be really rich. You don't mind? Get some cash. silos, by doors, by lights. Huh. Where is the lights coming from? Anyways. There's a trash can. What? I'm going to get some more items. I'm gonna get some more cash. Because I'm really cool. That guy has 0. Found you. I'm going to check out that, guys. Let's see how it will look like. What's in this shop? Ew. Sunflower. Why do I have 1,000 cash here? They're all muddy on my trucks. Don't understand why. I upgraded my barn and this looks really, really cool. Should I buy all of this? I am rich after all. Huh? Oh, this is a lot too expensive than I think. Oh my. I just have some, I need a few more. 2,000. Great. I'm going. When you go in like to first person, it's like so fast, like zoom, like you're zooming, like zoom. Harvest. Yes. I'm getting rich. Whoa, I'm getting so rich. I have no idea how this is all happening. I guess I'll buy everything. And I need, wait a minute guys. Sorry, I was talking to my dad. Okay, let's buy. I think I need more cash. These are like money generators. This is a Tycoon game, so your progress saves. Obviously. How many things do I have to buy? What? A tractor? Seriously? What? I'm gonna get out of my cash. It's the only way to get the tractor. I just need 2,000 more. That's 500. You. Found you. Go, 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 go. Yes, I have enough to buy the tractor. And can I teleport? No, I cannot teleport. Like what? I'm supposed to teleport. At least my barn's looking so good. Looks like a large barn. Remember, guys, that my barn was so small. Buy tractor. Whoa! Let's take a drive. So what does this exactly do? Whoa, this is a fast tractor. Wow. Whoa, this is a very fast tractor. I'm gonna use it. And I should probably park this because I'm gone too overboard. Not good driving with speedy stuff. I'll just regenerate tractor. Yeah. Regen tractor. There we go. Now let's buy some dirt. 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 Huh. What? 8,000? What? What's this dirt for? Greenhouse. Oh, this is gonna be expensive. But I'll buy it. Build doors. What is this? A plant room? I'm gonna get some stuff. Oh, my farm's looking very good. My farm's looking good, right, guys? Do this, and then this, and then let's plant onions. And wow, that is a lot of cash needed. I wasted a whole lot. Can I climb? I want to climb it. Just gotta get at. Yes! No! Ah, come on, man. I'm getting poor now. I'm getting so poor. I'm gonna check out somebody's base. Let's see how it will look like. And am I the only person here? No, I'm not. That guy. Wait, who's the richest? Oh man, I clicked E. Why am I bald when I drive it? Who's the richest? Oh, this guy. He is the richest. Whoa. Whoa. Oh, so that's what the greenhouse is for. And this is what it will look like. Whoa. What? He hasn't even opened this treasure chest. This is a harvester. Huh? It won't let me drive it. Oh well. You can't wait to get it. And the barn is blue now. I'm exploring more. Whoa, what happened? What the? He is so rich, I'm not gonna lie. And I can't teleport back to my psyche. So I'm just gonna drive there. Drift. What the? I'm just gonna get the harvester now, so I'm gonna work on the other side. E. Jane. How do I have 12,000? What the? Ah, at least I'm rich. Ew, this is bad. Why is there chicken here? I'm just gonna collect that. What? I'm going to build barn. That's how much it costs to build the barn? Oh my, I need 4,000. Okay. These are getting expensive. Whoa, I'm stuck. Well, that's it for today, guys. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. Bye!